Okay. Hello. Hi guys! Welcome back to our podcast.
If you're new here, hi, I'm Dots. I'm Loki.
And I'm Bianca, extra.
So, ay, nandito ka sa...
Dito ako kumakaway kasi pag dito, may shadow. Anyway, hi!
OMG, we're back!
We are back after ilang months.
6 months. Pili ko nga 7 kasi July na ngayon. 7.
7 months. Nag-end tayo ng mga January.
I think, yeah.
Oh
New
my
Year
God.
episode
Ang
yata.
tagal na. So, kamusta ka?
I'm great.
You're great. Me too. Here. Hi! Anyway, so for today's video, for today's podcast,
Let's explain muna.
okay,
Kasi per our last episode, para siyang season finale, di ba?
yeah, ginawa natin siyang season finale. Like,
Oo.
this is the end of season 1, ganyan.
Yeah, naka 10 full episodes kami.
Yes. If hindi nyo pa napapanood, go watch it on YouTube or Spotify.
Yes.
Andun kami.
But now we're doing episode
11. Bakit episode 11 at hindi na season 2?
Bakit nga ba? Like,
Meron may logic behind it.
mm-mm.
Pag sinabi kasi nilang season finale or season 2 or another
New
season,
season, yeah.
parang new season, new chapter,
Mm-mm.
new ganyan. But sa totoo lang, we're just the same.
I know. We're still the same people.
Yes.
6 months ago.
So we decided na gawing episode 11.
Oh, let's just continue where we left off.
Yes. So yun, welcome guys to
Yeah.
episode 11. Yay!
Yay! They share mo na. Like, marami kaming plans for season 2. Like, bigger and better
Yeah.
plans.
Pinag-usapan namin before mag-end yung season 1 na ang dami namin gustong gawin. Yan. To name a few,
Oh.
yung topics, yung
Yeah.
Instagram account,
Guests.
guests,
natin magka-guest.
yes, magka-guest.
And a
ganyan.
new setup sana, di ba?
Yes. Pero life happens.
Yeah.
Happen?
Life happened. Literal.
Happened. Yeah, life happened.
Pwede rin.
Yeah, naging busy,
Yeah, naging
si
busy.
Dots. Tapos ako,
And you.
nagpapaka-busy.
It's the same thing.
Yeah. But, yung mga plano natin yun, gusto ko pa rin naman gawin.
Yeah. Pero
Diba?
without the pressure of doing season 2.
Yes.
Kasi parang we talked about it na we're never gonna live up to the hype if
No.
episode 1 is
Kasi ang sikat natin
Big
eh.
Bang Boom.
Oo.
Diba?
Kasi sikat na tayo
super
eh.
sikat.
Super sikat na tayo. Ano ka, ang daming nakaabang sa episode na to.
know. Naghihintay na sila like,
Oo.
guys, where's the next season?
Anyway, here it is.
Really?
And yung mga plano rin namin yun, eventually gagawin din namin sila. We're just gonna take our time to do it.
Yeah.
But for now, let's talk about something.
Okay, what is it?
What happened to you in the last 6 months?
Oh, the last 6 months, super busy, I would say. Like, yun nga, sabi nga nila, life happened. But let's just talk about, major
Major
changes.
happenings. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
You wanna start? Or ikaw ba, what happened in the last 6 months?
Last 6 months, nag-travel ako.
Yes.
Yes. I watched BTS concert.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, very
Oh my
life-changing
God. Life-changing.
For me. Nakapanood ako sa Korea. And then, I started something
What's
na
something?
it's a business, I think. Pero for me, it's a project.
Yeah, you can call it that.
Yeah. So, pwede ako mag-plug. Ipa-plug
Of
ko na lang.
course.
Anyway, guys, I started this art workshop.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dito sa yes,
Congratulations.
thank you. Dito sa Pampanga, if you guys are interested, just search Weekend Gala Art Workshop on Facebook and Instagram.
Yes.
So, yun lang. Parang nandun pa lang ako sa parang startup project
Oo.
siya na gusto ko talagang i-push or gusto ko
Yeah.
talagang makamit. Makamit? Kasi dream come true ko yung ganon, yung makapagturo ng
mag-workshop
art.
talaga.
Oo.
Oo.
Never ako naging confident sa art ko, pero this time parang,
Really? Hindi ka confident sa art
hindi.
mo? Bakit?
Hindi, girl. Kung,
Have
hindi
you
niyo,
seen her, art?
kung gusto niyo makita, Bianca.art.
Go.
Hindi ako confident to the point na makapagturo ako ng
I see.
painting.
Beginner friendly
Beginner
naman
friendly,
yung workshop,
yes. So, ngayon, nagkaroon ako ng courage to do it.
Yeah. Actually, parang yung awareness ngayon, it's, hindi mo kailangan maging artistic creative to join these kinds of workshops.
Yes. Everyone can join. Everyone can
know.
experience painting, art workshops.
Guys, ako mismo sumali ako.
Yes.
Wala akong alam sa
Magiging ano ko siya,
Ano
participant.
lang, let's hobby max to the max.
Yes. Kaya nga siya weekend gala.
Yeah.
Parang gala lang sa weekend.
Oo.
Weekend activity.
Kung sawa na kayo sa mga pinagagawa nyo on the weekend,
Yes.
let's go.
Why not
Art
try
workshop.
painting? Instructed by me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ikaw, what about you?
Me,
Me? Me?
aside from work and the family life,
Mm-hmm.
I started something new as well.
Ooh.
It's nothing major.
I think I know this. Yeah.
Yes, you know this. I started the TikTok account. Like,
Oh.
this year lang ako nagkaroon ng TikTok account.
Whoa.
And I made it public.
Yes! Alam niyo, if you know Dots personally, masyashock kayo na, what? Si Dots may TikTok?
I know. After nung first post ko, minessage ako ng mga, nasa Korea kayo.
Ano, sa Korea kami na, nakita namin na nag-post siya sa TikTok na, like, we're so proud of you! We're so proud of you! Good job! Ganyan. Kasi nga, parang, out of your comfort zone din siya.
Like this podcast.
Yes.
Hindi ko alam bakit nahiya pa ako. Parang feeling ko mas malala naman yung podcast kaysa sa TikTok, di ba?
It's kind of the same, pero
Same but different. Oo. Tapos yun pa, I started faceless. As in, hindi mo makikita yung face ko dun sa first few posts. And then sabi ko, baka walang mangyari. Sige, let's show our face.
Yes. Why don't you share account mo sa TikTok?
Oh, it's the same at @dotsd. Go follow me, please.
Dots D on TikTok.
Yeah, IG and TikTok.
Maganda yung can we say a little bit of yung sa
Go.
TikTok mo? Maganda yung mga nire-reco niya.
Yeah, I do food and drinks
And
events.
places,
Oo.
reviews, parang ganon.
I wanna talk more about this. I will share.
Mm.
Super konti pa lang ng followers ko sa TikTok. But I get offers.
No!
Yeah, I get offers. Pero hindi lahat kinukuha ko. May message nila ako like, we can give you this for free, ganyan, X deal, post mo lang, ganyan.
My
And
ganon.
then, I said yes to one na.
Yay!
Abangan, ipopost ko siya
Congrats!
maybe in the next week.
Kasi nga, maganda yung niya,
Yeah.
like edits, yung captions.
Hindi naman super, pero
Para sa akin, it's
yeah.
very, I don't know what the word is, aesthetic.
Yeah, pwede.
Parang maganda naman siya.
Kumpara mo sa mga Gen Z and everything,
Oo.
hindi talaga. Pero I think pwede na kasi I get offers.
And very true reviews.
Oh yeah, walang
Kasi
BS.
meron ako napanood na
Alin?
ginawa mo. Talagang it's a no.
Talaga.
Oo.
Honest naman.
Parang may ininom ka, tapos sabi mo, it's a no. So, talagang honest reviews siya, guys. Hindi siya fake.
Oo.
Oo. Kasi iba talagang for the sake of
Ano
lang.
naman kasi, ang food and drinks, preference
Yes.
yan. Pero
Oo.
like personally, kung no talaga.
Oo. I like that.
Thank you.
Very
Pinapansin
honest. Napansin ko para ako, ay, hindi ko na ita-try.
Oo.
Hindi ko na ita-try kasi sabi ni Dots,
Sorry po. Anyway,
I'm happy for you.
Thank you so
Proud of
much.
you. Yan. Sana dumami pa ang followers mo
Please.
and views
Thank
mo.
you. Guys, follow niyo ako. Para
So,
more X deal.
More X deal. Ako din sa workshop.
Yeah, go.
If you-
mura
if you-
lang. Actually, mura ng workshop niya.
If you
Compare
are
sa iba.
cafe or restaurant owners here in Pampanga
Mhm.
and want to collab with the workshop,
Paano pag-arayat yung workshop? Pupunta.
Hindi, ang sinabi ko dun sa, meron akong ads for it na if yun nga collab, transportation fee varies per location.
Nice.
So nakakapunta
Pero
ka.
open ka.
Open
kahit
ako.
Malayo. Hindi mo pa napuntahan.
Open ako para sa pang may
Very good.
sasakyan.
Oh, naman.
Mahal ang gas, kaya kailangan may fee. Yun lang.
Oo.
Pero open naman ako.
Yes. Go, guys. Can I ask, kasi matagal ka nang like into creativity, artistic ka, you do your own art. What pushed you to do this workshop?
Sa painting kasi, maraming kinds of paint. Diba? Ako, ang gamit ko, acrylic paint. If anyone
Mas mahirap ba yun?
No, hindi naman sa mas mahirap. Magkaiba lang sila ng parang drying time, mga ganyan.
Okay.
And then, sabi ko, gusto kong itry mag-oil. Hindi ako marunong. Hindi ko alam saan ako magsa-start.
Okay.
And then, I searched sa Google, oil painting workshop o oil painting class.
Naghanap ka talaga.
Naghanap ako kasi gusto ko ngang itry yung oil. Baka sabi ko, baka hindi ako pang acrylic.
Yeah.
Ganyan. So, I found this.
Di ba acrylic yung ginagawa?
Kaya nga, baka nga hindi ako pang acrylic.
Okay, gets.
So, tinry ko mag-oil. Okay. So, nakita ko to isang workshop. It's called Nishian Painting Studio.
Is that her name?
That's combination of her name ata.
Okay.
Yes. So, nag-workshop ako. And then, alam mo yung parang namulat na lang ako na,
Is this your first
oil painting
workshop?
Hindi first art workshop.
Okay.
I've been to other workshops before. Pero first oil painting.
Okay.
Kasi, ewan ko kung alam nung iba dyan. Pero ang oil kasi parang una mong maiisip, ay, mahirap yan.
Ganon.
Oo.
Ganon ang perception
Yes,
sa oil.
perception din na, mahal yan. Pero dun sa workshop na-realize ko, it's doable.
Okay.
With practice.
Wait, your
ganyan.
workshop is acrylic or is it oil?
Mine is acrylic. Kasi, sabi ko, kung gusto ko mag-workshop or magturo, dun sa mas gamay ko.
Yeah.
So, sa oil, bagwan pa lang ako. And then, I met her. Her name is, hindi ko na i-mention.
Hello.
But, Nishian Painting Studio. If you're watching, hi.
Yes.
And the guys in the team.
Thank you for inspiring my friend.
Yeah, na-inspire ako sa kanila. Kasi they're like a group of friends doing this workshop. Tapos sabi ko,
lahat sila into art. So it's
not
just,
really.
Not really?
They're just helping out each other. Ganyan. Ang nakaka-inspire is, ang babata nila sa akin.
Mga how old?
20s.
Late 20s?
Late 20s. Ganyan. Mid-20s. Ganyan. So, na-realize ko, kasi ako, dream ko magkaroon ng workshop.
Okay.
So, naging honest ako sa kanila. Sabi ko, I'm here to learn about the workshop. How to do it, ganyan. Kasi gusto ko rin magkaroon ng dream come true lang. It's not really like, gusto ko yumaman because of this. Basta gusto ko lang siyang bucket list. Alam mo, ang babait nila. Sobrang tinulungan nila ako. Very encouraging sila.
Yeah.
Sa mga posts, sinishare nila, ganyan. Tapos, they said they're proud of me nung pinost ko na yung ads ko, ganyan. So, alam nyo, parang sa business, hindi kailangan laging competitive.
Yeah. I think that's
maganda
the
din
new,
na,
ngayon.
anong tawag doon? Parang,
collaboration.
Yeah, helping each other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not all about competitive.
Yeah. So, ako, kapag may interested sa workshop na oil,
yes,
sinishare ko yung Nishian
Actually,
Painting Studio.
nire-recommend niya sa akin yung oil painting workshop na yun. I'm like, Bianca, do you really know me?
Just to try it out. Kasi maraming nag-workshop sa kanya na talagang beginners lang, ganyan. Pero girl, ang gaganda ng mga gawa. Nagugulat na lang nga ako na because of the step-by-step guide,
I think,
nakakagawa ng mga good paintings yung mga participants. Anyway, shout out to you guys. Because of you, I'm one step closer to my dream or my bucket list. Check that bucket list. Anyway, yun lang yung story
na
doon.
siya.
Na-shy na ako. But anyway.
Good for you.
Yeah.
Ang tagal namin pinupush si Bianca, go, do it. Like, and she's like,
Hindi talaga ako confident. Parang sa akin, baka isipin ng mga tao, ba't ako mag-workshop? Di naman siya magaling. Pero na-realize ko,
can you see my face?
Pero na-realize ko, kung ayaw nilang matuto from me, that's fine.
Yeah.
Kung gusto nilang, it's just an experience, then, yun yung offer ko. Workshop.
Offer. You know, this is a nice talking point. Yung sinabi mo, like, they encouraged you to do a workshop. Ako din, I believe na there's always space for everyone. There's room to grow in every field that you want to do. Di kailangan makipag-away or something or bring other people down just to do your own thing.
Hindi kailangang mag-bash.
Oh, yeah.
Sa mga, don't bash other, businesses.
People. Yeah.
Para to gain more,
Tama.
Just
you don't gain more just because
do
you
your
bash.
thing. Do your own business,
What makes you happy?
Yeah.
Are you happy? Are you excited?
I am very excited. Lalo na may nag-register na.
Wow. Congrats.
May nag-register na sa workshop ko.
Let's invite, guys. May slots pa.
Yes, may slots pa.
Habang mura pa.
It's on August 16.
Yeah.
Hi! Kung ma-upload natin to before
Oo naman. Hindi, feeling ko meron pa kasi medyo malaki yung cafe mo.
Yes,
diba?
yes.
Right? You can accommodate a lot of people.
Lagay ko sa description.
Go.
Yung
guys,
links.
tell your friends, tell your family. Go
Pampanga
to Florida
people.
Blanca. Kung di nyo po alam, ang Florida Blanca sa Pampanga pa rin.
Medyo malayo siya sa city, pero this is just the start. It's the start of something new. It feels... Hindi pa natin na-mention na may mic na tayo.
Oo nga, no.
Ito, segue lang. Guys, may mic na kami.
Hi. Kita nyo? Better audio ba? Please comment.
Tapos pala, hindi maganda yung audio. Scratched everything.
Oh, no. Wag na. Uy, hindi Bago yung lugar nung sofa natin.
Yeah.
Diba dati dun tayo?
Yeah. Ako, to be honest, kahit saan.
Talaga?
Kahit nasa playground tayo. Pangarap ko talaga yun eh.
Gusto ko nga outside eh.
Kahit nasa playground tayo or park, ganyan, okay lang.
Guys, can you recommend like a place?
Kung saan pwede mag-podcast.
Like, syempre we will bring our lights and camera.
Relatively quiet, pero okay lang yung...
Hindi kasi we're gonna make a noise eh. So, naisip ko co-working space pero medyo you have to get the conference room.
Yes.
Wala pa kayong budget.
Ang gusto ko, alam ko ano gusto ko, yung may table.
Oo.
Tapos, meron na akong dyan stand nito eh.
Ay, wow.
Basta may table tayo, meron na eh.
Ganda ba, guys? Okay ba?
May mic na hindi na namin hawak. hindi na nagfi-fidget si Dots.
Ay, sorry. See, that's growth.
Oh. Speaking of growth.
Yeah.
The past 6 months, do you think nag-grow tayo as a person?
Of course.
Let's talk about it. Like,
okay. Let's talk about growth and change.
We're talking about growth as a person.
Oo.
Yung, ano bang Tagalog nun?
No.
Growth.
Help us, please. AI.
Ano
ba?
Usad? Hindi.
Pwede rin.
Anyway, so,
ba't mo ba kailangan Tagalogin?
hindi kasi para yung maintindihan din nila.
Okay.
Yung gusto kong sabihin.
Yung change is pagbabago. But if you grow, it feels like
paglaki? Hindi eh. But gets nyo, growth in life.
Yeah. Pagbabago for the better. In English.
So, in the last 6 months, do you think nag-grow ka as a person?
Yes.
How?
Actually, before we started this, feeling ko walang nagbago kasi parang everyday yung routine mo, same lang. I go to work, I go home, I do some other stuff. Pero it feels like nothing is happening. And then, this specific thing, shinare ko na before, diba, na mahilig ako mag-journal. So, every start of the year, I list down all my goals, all the things that I want to do, ganyan-ganyan. And then, I plot it sa calendar ko for the whole year.
Oh.
Yeah. Ano lang naman, general. Hindi siya specific na dapat this date ganito. So, parang wish. And then, I set a timeline for it. Tapos, tinignan ko yung list ko after 6 months. Parang, OMG, something's happening. So, parang
ano mo siya?
Ko, like, tangible proof that there is growth, something is happening, na na-achieve ko yung goals ko. Ganon. So, I give time to myself to reflect and so doon. Pero kung tinanong mo ako biglaan, nag-grow ka ba? Sabihin ko, hindi. Ganon.
Hindi. Pero, you have
When
proof.
I saw, yeah.
Nice. ang sa akin naman ng growth, feeling ko ako hindi.
Oh.
Hindi naman
Are you sure?
Hindi. Hindi naman sa hindi, pero I think nandun ako sa trial and error stage ng life or growth in life. Para bang andun ako sa point na I want to try this.
Yeah.
Kapag naging successful, tutuloy-tuloy ko. Ganyan. If not, another one. Nagets mo? So, for example, yung workshop. Hindi ko akalain this year na gagawin ko to. Pero dahil gusto ko nga ng growth, o gusto kong, I want to do something with my life, ganyan. I better do the things I like.
Yes.
So, dun pumasok yung paggawa ko sa workshop.
Hindi ba, well, for me, the fact that you are trying is growth na. Hindi siya kailangan like 0 to 100, you consider it growth. So, parang nasa 10 ka pa lang. Feeling ko that's growth. We look at it like from both ends of the spectrum na dapat 0 to 100 before you consider it growth. Pero hindi, like the first step, it's already growth. For me, hindi ba? Like, diba? If she didn't try, she won't do that workshop. So, the fact that you put yourself out there, that's something.
Same with your TikTok.
Yeah. The first post.
Yes. Nung nag-first post ka, ako kasi natakot dun sa first ad ko. As in, hindi ko mapindot-pindot na post ad or something. Kasi parang, pag pinost ko to, ayun na, start na to. Start na ng journey ko dito sa business na to or something like that. Did you have that experience posting it on TikTok?
My TikTok journey is a little different. I started it anonymous. Wala akong picture, walang description about me. So, tas yung post ko faceless. So, parang, wala lang, very candid na, okay, post, tapos. And then, a few posts after, nung nilabas ko na yung face ko, doon ako na tas nilabas ko yung name ko. Nandun na parang, ay, eto na yan.
Diba?
I'm out there.
Yeah.
Ako, kinabahan ako.
Kinabahan ka? Ako din.
Talking about growth, sabi ko nga kanina, it's not 0 to 100. Sometimes, you're in the in-between. And that is what we call, liminal space.
Liminal space. New word for me.
Yeah. Timing, kasi may binabasa akong book. And then, it talked about liminal space. It's the in-between of you are in the precipice of change. So, parang, you want to get to point B, pero kakaalis mo pa lang sa A. Wala ka pa sa B. Nandito ka pa sa gitna. Para siyang gano'n.
Para ba yan, yung malayo na, pero
malayo pa.
Malayo pa, pero malayo na.
Yes, that's it. Nakuha mo yung Tagalog.
Hindi nakuha ko yung Tagalog doon. Kasi ang daming new words
Sorry. Feeling ko normal kasi kakabasa ko lang And, yun siya, parang, siguro nandun ka, kaya you feel like you're not going anywhere.
Parang natakot ako bigla.
Bakit? Liminal space?
Hindi, di ba na in-between sabi mo? Ano yung end?
Yung goal mo.
Goals na.
Let's
say. So, pwedeng marami. Hindi
naman.
lang isa. Tama.
Kasi ito ngayon, we are all multifaceted people. We're not just doing one thing.
Yes.
Kaya, marami tayong ginagawa.
Totoo yan, totoo.
Tsaka, when you are in the middle of it, like where we are right now, parang sinabi ko kanina na-achieve ko yung mga goals ko, but that doesn't mean that's my end goal. So, ibig sabihin, parang step by step pa lang. But when you're in the middle, it feels like minsan nothing is happening di ba? Parang naisip mo, tama ba itong ginagawa ko? Or wala kang nakikitang results.
Yun.
That's why.
Speaking of na wala kang makitang results, gusto ko ipasok dyan yung minsan, when you're experiencing that, the in-between, minsan hindi mo alam if you wanna give up.
That's true.
Like, wala ka pa sa end goal, gusto mo na, I wanna give up. Pero let's rephrase the I wanna give up.
Yeah. Para medyo pangat siya pakinggan.
It's like surviving versus know when to stop. Alam mo, growing up, lagi kong,
That's hard.
Is it a mantra? Hindi mantra.
Paano
Parang lagi ko yan na-apply sa akin. Na, for example, I'm very vocal about myself na, let's say yung profession ko, Archie.
Yes.
Nakatapos akong Archie and all. Pero, it's something na hindi ko gusto gawin.
Okay.
Ang hirap nung nandun ako sa level, andun sa stage ng life ko na when to stop. When to stop.
Okay.
Kasi parang dati tinry ko pa. Girl, tinry ko.
Oo.
Gusto ko talagang i-push yun. Kasi syempre, inaral ko yun and everything. Ganyan. Pero, ako lang to. Pero, ang inaisip ko kasi nun, I've done Archie. I want to do something for me na will make me happy. So, dun ko nalaman yung know when to stop.
So, when did you know?
Na I wanna pursue other
Parang
things.
So you're doing work as an architect. Tapos bilang na-realize mo, hindi ka na happy.
Yes.
Yun ba yun? Parang, is that a good point na parang, wait, is it a wake-up call? Di na ako masaya. Pero what if, di ba?
Pero hindi siya like instant.
Oo.
Matagal siyang process na para sa akin ba ito? Yung ginagawa ko, will this make me happy in life, lalo na pag tumatanda na and everything like that. But don't get me wrong.
So, it's safe to say hindi ka happy?
Before, yes.
Okay.
Pero don't get me wrong. I'm still an architect. Parang, kumukuha pa rin ako ng mga projects pero not like, ano mong tawag doon? Yung
full-time.
I don't do full-time archi work.
So, kung may projects ka, pinipili mo rin yun, no? Hindi lahat
pinipili ko na lang kung ano.
Wow. So, pag nakuha nyo si Bianca, special ka.
Kung makukuha nyo ako.
Hard to get yan.
Hindi, gusto ko tong i-share kasi I know a lot of people are struggling na sa work nila if it's for them or not, ganyan. Pero if you have the luxury to, pursue your dreams or your happiness, go do it. Ganyan. If not, don't give up.
Yeah.
Diba?
That's true. No, parang sabi mo nga, it's a luxury. Pero, what if you're in a different position na you feel like wala kang choice, diba?
Yeah. Ang say ko naman dyan sa mga walang choice. Learn to adapt to it. Like, you have to be on this job, pero wag mong kalimutan yung happiness in life, small things.
Yeah.
Like, for example, sa weekend, gusto mo na lang magpahinga, pero gusto mo rin mag-try on new things.
Like weekend gala.
Like the weekend gala. I-push natin. Hindi. What I'm saying is, have time then sa mga gusto mong gawin.
Oo, that's true.
While doing your work. You know?
Find glimmers.
Glimmers? Ang dami ko na words ngayon. Ano kasi,
Kung
liminal.
umabot kayo sa point na to, comment glimmer.
Yes, comment glimmer.
Yeah. Ang hirap kasi, like, diba, let's say you're stuck in a work that you don't like. You're not happy about it. Tapos wala kang choice. What do? You find your glimmers.
Yeah, find your
things.
glimmers.
Hindi pwedeng
kumbaga, wag mong pabayaan yung mental health mo.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, gusto kong mag-bake, I'm gonna bake. Wag yung, wala akong time, find time for yourself.
You know what I learned recently? Dahil nga sa pagka-busy, parang feeling ko wala na akong time for other things. Na-realize ko na life will always happen.
Yes.
So, you need to set an intention. Like, okay, for this day, gagawin ko to, yung gusto ko. Pwedeng.
That's a good practice.
Hindi siya pwedeng, yung gusto mo, it will always take a backseat. So, dapat intentional ka about it.
Alam mo, hindi sa pinaplug ko ulit. Yung mga workshop, may mga namimit ako na gusto lang nilang matry something new.
Yes.
Tapos, kahit may work, talagang pinuntahan nila on a weekend just to experience it.
Yeah.
Yung ganon, parang
it makes you feel alive.
Yes. Lalo na kung totally different from what you're doing.
Yes.
Diba?
Biglang desk work to painting. Napakalayo.
Oo, diba? So, go out, guys.
Yeah.
Uy, natuto na ako.
I know what you're saying.
Diba? Natuto na ako. Dati, guys, for the last 6 months, lagi ako lumalabas ngayon.
Kaya hindi kami nagkikita.
Lagi ako may pinupunta, lagi ako may ginagawa. Dati, lagi lang ako sa bahay.
Oo. Lagi niya sinasabi, taong bahay ako,
Taong bahay.
ako.
Like, doon lang ako sa aking comfort zone. Ngayon, pupunta na ako sa workshop. Yan, pupunta ako Subic.
Yeah, I know.
Pupunta akong Clark. Ay! Anyway, it's fun.
Alam mo yung mga ina-advise natin before sa previous episodes? I feel like,
ginagawa ko na siya.
oo.
Ginagawa na natin siya.
Yes.
I love it.
Thank you guys for growing with us. Wow.
Yes! Sana matuwa sila sa episode 11, no?
Parang ako, I feel light. Di ba?
Light lang, yeah. Very
Yeah.
light lang. Kasi parang, it's very relatable na life happens.
And everybody's going through change.
Change,
like, smaller,
yes.
big.
But, siguro, yun yung one advice lang din, is, huwag mo kalimutan sarili mo.
That's true.
Yeah. Example, I admire Dots for this. Dots is a mother, guys. She has a kid. Nandyan lang siya sa tabi. Yan. Pero, hindi niya nakakalimutan gumawa ng something for her. Like this podcast. Like the TikTok. You know, gets natin na priority natin is family. And all.
Work.
And work, you know, financial, ganyan. Pero, sana, isingit din natin yung self natin.
Alam nyo guys, yung paglabas-labas namin ng kumakain sa labas, yun yung glimmers ko. Tapos pipicturean ko, post ako, tapos happy na ako.
Diba? Ganun. So,
I'm showing you how I apply it to myself. So, diba, hindi lang siya empty words. Na...
Kahit Jollibee lang, guys. Ay, not sponsored. Kahit Jollibee or McDo,
Jollibee
go out.
Tuna,
ganyan. Uy, may bagong Jollibee dyan.
Saan?
Sa Porac. Ay, Porac ba yun?
Nagpora ka ba ngayon?
Oo, Porac. May bago din Walter Mart.
Oh my God.
So, talking about growth, life changes. Ano yung mga advice mo? Sa kanila or sa atin din? Sa akin?
Ako, if life is hard, just keep swimming. For me, if you stay stuck where you are, mas mahirap makawala doon. Kaya, do something, you know, any action that will keep you moving forward.
Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Parang itong natin, episode. Hindi talaga ma-push-push yung season 2 na yan. So, just, tara, record tayo.
Oo.
Record
This
tayo.
week lang tayo nag-uusap, di ba?
Girl, no, isang gabi lang.
2 days ago. Di ba? Yun yung gusto kong sabihin na parang, shit, kung hindi kami magsistart, walang mangyayari. Kaya parang,
yes.
Let's do this, episode 11.
Yes.
You know what? Gusto ko ding i-share. May narinig akong isang podcast, they're not doing seasons. Talagang dire-diretso. But if pagod na sila, they're gonna take a break. Walang pasabi, walang break. And then when they feel like doing it again, gagawin nila. So parang na-inspire ako doon.
Are they a big podcast?
Oo, local. Medyo sikat naman sila. Ayoko sabihin eh.
Basta
shy ako, pero ganun sila. Tapos parang, nga naman, hindi naman kailangan like maganda agad.
Oo, hindi kailangan.
Production agad.
Tsaka, passion project.
True.
At tsaka ito, may isang podcast din. Alam mo yung change sa life niya? Girl, hard lunch. May boyfriend na siya.
Ay, gusto ko yun.
Sana ako din.
Tapos mag-i-interview tayo para mangyari.
Yeah, hard lunch ko. Tapos sa next podcast, kala mo meron na.
Malay mo sa kaka-workshop niya, meron, diba?
We'll see.
Meron ding isang principle. I think it's the 80-20 principle. Pero hindi ko pa ito nabasa. Nakikita ko lang. You do something so small, yung akala mo wala siyang effect. But when it adds up, eventually, it's some major change about you. So, wag niyong maliitin yung small things that you can do for yourself.
Kunwari, hindi mo namamalayan. Example na lang.
Okay.
Yung painting. Hindi mo pala alam, artistic ka pala.
Yeah.
Parang kakasali mo sa mga ganyan or kaka-drawing mo lang, kaka-practice mo lang. Eventually, you like it.
Yeah.
That's a big change.
Yeah.
Small changes lead to big changes. Diba?
Yes.
Is that what you're trying to?
Yeah. Oo. Kasi 'di ba kanina ina-advise natin, just find your glimmers in the small things. And then I just wanna expound on that the small things add up.
Yes.
Ako, yung for me naman is pag kasi nasa restaurant ako, nahihiya ako magpicture. Pero dahil dun sa ginagawa ko ngayon, I really go out of my way to get good shots.
Yes.
Medyo nakakahiya. Tapos tatanungin ko pa yung owners or yung ibang nasa hi guys, can I take a picture?
Talaga?
Oo naman. Lalo na if nandyan yung owner or yung mga cashier or anyone. Syempre, pipicturean mo tsaka upload mo. You need their consent.
Their consent, yes.
So, pag hindi ko nahingan ng consent, aanohin ko. Iba-blur ko sila or may sticker yung mukha nila. Pero I ask permission.
Oh.
Medyo mahirap nung una, mahirap.
Mahirap yun.
Lalo na kung video. Buti na lang hindi ako nagvi-video. Just pictures. Pero and then, na-stress ako kahapon sa
May pinuntahan ka?
Kahapon yung ex-deal ko.
Oh.
Tapos video siya. Tapos parang hindi ako prepared. Kasi nga first, ko siya. Tapos sinabihan pa ako nung isa, ay ma'am, wala kang tripod.
Hindi ka prepared.
Kasi parang, okay, nung bago ako pumunta dun sa lugar, chill lang kung ano lang yung ginagawa ko.
This is my thing.
Yeah,
Walang tripod.
And then, it's different kasi, hindi siya food.
Okay, pag-usapan natin yan later.
Hindi siya food. Kaya parang, hindi ko inisip na iba pala dapat yung atake ko dito. Kasi hindi siya food. Yun. Pero ito, disclaimer, hindi dahil ex-deal siya, magandang review ko. I'll be honest. Yun.
Alam mo, that can be your trademark, niche.
It's a no.
It's a no. It's a yes.
Pero hindi, actually, kung business owner ka, ang hirap makakita ng ganun ng negative review.
Oo.
Kaya nga, napapaisip ako, gagandahan ko ba? Or
hindi, honest reviews na lang. Siguro, it's a no, it's a harsh. It's a harsh review.
It's a maybe. Dahil nga nakakahiya ako kahapon. It's part of growth. Okay lang magkamali.
Yes.
Sorry kahapon. Sorry po. Pasensya na.
Gusto ko malaman yung story. Bakit kailangan ng tripod?
Isa pa. Nung kakapasok ko pa lang, pumasok siya, ma'am, kayo po ba yung influencer? Tapos parang ako, opo.
Hindi mo alam yung sasabihin mo.
Kasi hindi naman talaga.
Tapos yung followers mo. Hindi pa lang followers niya, guys.
Hindi ko gets, bakit nakakakuha ako ng ex-deal with that amount? Guys, as of today, 50 followers.
Dadami pa yan.
Can you imagine?
Hindi. Bakit yung business ikaw ang kinukuha? Kasi, may nakikita silang gusto nila.
Oo. Pero, syempre, in this field, ang alam natin is followers and likes.
Yes, followers.
So, yeah. Last point
na lang.
about change. Sometimes may mga gusto tayong mangyari in that change that is happening. Pero minsan, you have to force it.
Force it? Oy.
Diba?
That's new.
Yeah, kunwari, gusto ko ng ganito. Pupush mo yung sarili mo para makuha mo yun. Or mangyari yun. You force it. Pero may mga times na hindi mo talaga siya makuha. Diba? Parang dun sa part na keep swimming or know when to stop. Para siyang just do what you can do at this point in time and then just let it flow.
One step at a time.
Don't attach yourself to the result or desired result. As long as alam mo sa sarili mo na you already did your part. Yeah.
Naniniwala ka ba doon na if it's not for you, it's not for you?
Yeah.
But if it's for you, the universe will find a way na makuha mo to.
Yeah.
Yung goal mo to, yung success mo to, yung ano. And if it's not yet there, or if you're not yet there, just try and try pala.
True.
You know, don't give up. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep.
Ako, I have a question. to the listeners, kung meron man listeners.
Meron yan.
What's the small change that you did in the last 6 months na nagbigay sa'yo ng big change? Yun lang, yung small na akala mo walang nangyayari. And then, boom.
Yeah. Comment down below. Something to,
ponder about. How
So,
about you?
For me, siguro kung may question ako para sa kanila, sa ginagawa nila sa buhay nila, is it worth it? And the answer is yes. May answer ako agad.
Okay.
Yes, it's worth it. Try this, worth it yan.
Oo.
Hindi mo nagawa to, okay lang yan. You grow. You learn.
True.
Diba? So, is it worth it? Ask yourself. Sorry. Nag-burp, sorry. Well, is it worth it? Yeah.
Tama. Kahit hindi siya for you, parang you learn something. Correct. Thank you, guys.
Thank you guys for listening to our podcast. And
it's so nice to be back.
So nice to be back. Yes.
Parang kahit alam nating konti lang listeners natin, parang we're just doing this for ourselves, right?
Sa mga nakikinig, ayan, pag-usapan nyo, ng mga couples dyan or what.
Wow. Therapy.
Pag-usapan nyo yung mga growth in life.
Yeah.
Yan. Comment down below if you have anything to say about our podcast, and we'll see you on our next episode. I think so.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Lucky Extra.